If you're planning to invest in 2025, or even thinking about starting with just a small amount of money, stay right here because what I'm about to reveal is something nobody warns you about. Yet it's the exact reason why most people lose money. Panic, quit investing, and then say, investing doesn't work. The truth is, investing always works. But only if you avoid the mistakes I'm about to expose today. These are the 5 investing mistakes in 2025 that secretly destroy wealth. And most beginners fall into these traps without even realizing it. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want real, no BS investing guidance designed for beginners who want to grow wealth fast but safely. So let's dive straight into the biggest mistake people will make in 2025, and the one that costs them the most: ignoring long-term compounding and chasing short-term hype. Every year, new trends appear, new influencers hype up quick money schemes, and millions of beginners jump in thinking they'll multiply their money instantly. But the reality behind every viral trend is someone trying to get rich from your excitement. That's why the first big mistake in 2025 is letting social media dictate your investing decisions. People see a clip on TikTok or YouTube saying this coin will 100x, this stock is going to explode, or this business opportunity is guaranteed profit, and they invest emotionally instead of logically. Emotional investing is the #1 wealth killer. And the truth is, the people promoting these hot picks often make money from the views, not from the investment itself. By 2025, short-term hype will get even bigger because AI-generated content will flood the internet. Fake hype, fake charts, fake signals, all designed to influence beginners. And that's why avoiding this mistake becomes more important than ever. The smartest investors in 2025 will be the ones who ignore hype and focus on strategies that are boring but profitable. Dollar cost averaging, diversified ETFs, long-term blue-chip stocks, high-yield assets, and selected recession-resistant industries. Another huge mistake in 2025 is assuming you need a lot of money to invest. This mindset keeps millions of people trapped financially. Wealth doesn't start with money. Wealth starts with mindset. Even $5, $10, $50 a week can grow into something massive over time. Beginners think investing small is pointless, but this is exactly how the wealthy built their fortune, consistently, not suddenly. Most people in 2025 will delay investing because they think they don't have enough. Meanwhile, people who start small will be quietly compounding their money. Then there's the mistake of not understanding risk. The amount of beginners who enter the market in 2025 without knowing what they're reinvesting in is unreal. They buy a stock because someone online said it's good. They buy crypto because it's trending. They join a project because it went viral. They have no idea about the company, the roadmap, the fundamentals, the risk levels, the market conditions, or even the history of the asset. Investing without understanding is not investing, it's gambling. And gambling always ends the same way. You lose more than you gain. Another mistake beginners make is trying to time the market. They wait too long, hoping to buy at the perfect dip, or they sell too fast out of fear when the market moves against them for a moment. In 2025, markets will be more volatile than ever. AI disrupts sectors. New regulations shift the economy. Inflation changes investment performance, and global markets react faster than any time in history. So what happens? Beginners panic sell at the worst time, but the wealthy, they don't panic. They buy more. They focus on value, not noise. They know market dips are temporary, and wealth is built by holding through uncertainty. If you keep trying to predict the exact top and bottom, you'll lose. The winners in 2025 are the ones who stay consistent, patient, and logical. Now let's talk about the mistake that ruins the most people financially: having no clear investing plan. Most beginners invest randomly. One month, they invest in a stock. Next month, in a crypto. Then, they jump to real estate content. Then, online business. Then, AI startups. There's no system, no structure, no strategy, and then they wonder why their results are unstable. A clear plan means deciding your goals, your time frame, your risk tolerance, your asset allocation. your monthly contribution, and your exit strategy. Without these things, you're just throwing money into the market, hoping something sticks. The wealthy don't hope. They plan, they build, they review, they adjust. Now, the fourth major mistake in 2025 is ignoring diversification. Putting all your money into one investment, one stock, one crypto, one asset, is one of the fastest ways to lose everything. You need a balance. Don't make the mistake of thinking diversification means owning random things. No, true diversification is strategic. It spreads risk across sectors, industries, countries, timelines, and purpose. Without diversification, you're exposed. With it, you're protected. And now, we arrive at the biggest investing mistake in 2025, ignoring passive growth opportunities. Most people think investing is only stocks and crypto. But in 2025, investing will expand into new asset classes that everyday people can access. Fractional real estate, AI productivity tools, digital assets, income generating, ETFs, online businesses, royalties, and even alternative investments like carbon credits or startup equity. People who limit themselves to only one type of investment will miss out on massive opportunities. The wealthy use multiple streams to grow their money safely. Here's the ironic part. Most beginners in 2025 will lose money not because investing is risky, but because they themselves are inconsistent. They start and stop, invest and panic, learn and forget. Watch motivational videos but take no action. Want results without putting in effort. Meanwhile, the people who commit, learn, stay patient, diversify, and follow a simple plan become financially unshakable. If you're still watching, here's the truth nobody tells you. The difference between rich and poor investors is not money, timing, or intelligence. It's behavior. Behavior determines everything. And the behavioral mistakes I just told you are exactly why most people fail before they succeed. But if you avoid these mistakes in 2025, you will put yourself years ahead of the average investor. You will think differently, act differently, and grow your wealth differently. So make yourself a promise. In 2025, don't invest emotionally. Don't chase hype. Don't expect overnight results. And don't quit just because the market isn't going your way. Build discipline. Build knowledge. Build consistency. Because the market rewards those who stay long enough. Wealth is not built in a month. Wealth is built in the moments when you stay committed while others give up. If you want more powerful videos that break down investing in simple steps, make sure you follow the channel and watch the next video waiting for you right now. It's designed to help you grow even faster.